Your hair is said to be your crowning glory, and it's normal to want to improve your hair if it's not to your satisfaction. If you're trying to regrow hair that you've lost or would simply like to improve the hair that you have, try some of these natural remedies. Their proven benefits can help to stimulate growth and enhance the hair that you have. Today we will share with you just 2 ingredients, and I promise your hair will never stop growing. Grow super long high. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification, so that you will never miss any of my video. First, I need neem. Neem, known for its medicinal properties, is an effective herb to treat hair loss. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, neem is an excellent way to curb dandruff. It helps the hair follicles to become stronger and also encourages hair growth. Second, I need onion. Sulfur is found within amino acids, which are components of proteins, and especially keratin, which is known to be sulfur-rich, are needed for growing strong hair. When added to the hair and scalp, onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. It's also believed that onions may boost circulation. Applying onion juice to the hair and scalp could increase blood supply to hair follicles, which in turn improves hair growth. There have been studies on how onion juice prevents hair loss, but not on its other benefits. Third, I need aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. On your hair. How to use. Apply on hair and leave it 3 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.